Hey y'all, it's your boy Bree back at it again with the makeup tutorials. Today's look came requested by one of my sorority sisters, Natalie, so thanks Natalie for giving me an idea of what to film because, you know, not that creative, but yeah. So it's this like cranberry smoky eye highlight. I like need to get better at naming things. I say that every single video and I never get better at it, but like one day I promise you I'm going to be okay at naming things. But yeah, so if you want to see how to get this look right here, then keep on watching. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is part of a new series I'm starting on my channel called Everyday-ish, and it's just gonna be like easy makeup tutorials that anyone can do and wear pretty much anytime. Like, I know this one's a little bit more dramatic, but it's something I would wear to class, so like this video if you want me to do more like wearable looks instead of like crazy out there things that you're probably never gonna use in your life. So yeah, okay, now watch. Okay, so I've already primed and set my lids with my Tarte Shape tape and this light shade here in the Jaclyn Morphe palette. So to start off this look, we're gonna go in with this guy right here is our transition shade. It's like this, it's just a brown, it's a light brown. You need a light brown, that's what you need. That's all. So I'm just gonna dip in, tap off, and then we're gonna put that right as our transition. Okay, now that we've got that nice transition down, I'm going to dip into this shade right here. It's like a little reddish brown color. And I'm going to put that a little bit lower in my crease to just kind of deepen it up a little, because right now we kind of look like there's nothing on our face. I'm just going to bring that a little bit lower than the first color. And the trick to this look is really just blending all day, every day. Blend that-ish. Honestly, that's like the trick to any look. Why do I put my mouth open when I'm doing this? No, it feels wrong with my mouth closed. Okay, so now that we have our base down, basically, we're gonna go for this cranberry color right here, and I'm gonna put that in my outer V and bring it a little bit into the crease. Okay. And I'm gonna try not to bring it too far out, but I just like to have like this little shape right here because I think it suits my eyes. So just however you think will suit your face personally, go for it. Okay, so there's our lovely little base right there. So for our lid color, I'm gonna use this broken, I break everything, okay, just bear with me. I'm gonna use the Ofra by NikkieTutorials Glow Goals, blah 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 blah, on like a flat brush. You know what, I'm not even gonna open it because I can. And yeah, I'm just gonna put that on the brush, load it up, spray it with some setting spray. I can never figure out how to do it without being stupid. Okay, and then I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Okay, and then for the under eye, I'm gonna go back into that Jaclyn palette and take that same cranberry shade that we took earlier and bring it about halfway in. I just can't tell by now, I pretty much do the same thing for every look and I just change up the colors. But, you know, if it works, it works. If it it broke, don't fix it. And then for the inner portion, you guessed it, we're going back in with that highlighter. And then by now, hopefully you get it, weird mascara, eyeliner. I'll be right back. Quick, let's do an eyelash comparison, like before mascara. This is what you look like, and then after mascara. Gotta love mascara. Okay. Okay, so now that our eyes are all done, we move on to blush. I already bronzed up my face because it's not that exciting, but for blush, I'm gonna use the shade Skillful from that Tarte blush Bazaar, and just focus that on the apples of my cheeks. And then for highlight, I'm gonna go back into that Glow Gold shade that we used on our eyes, just to kind of tie the whole look together, you know? You know? This color is freaking gorgeous, but it's a little bit dark for someone as pale as me. But like, come on. NikkieTutorials, you did that. Anyway, for lips today, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lip in shade Tulle. Not like T-O-O-L-T-U-L-L-E, like the fabric. I don't know why I felt the need to clarify. Anyway, I'm just going to put this on my lips now. Get how people can like look cute while applying lipstick. Like, I just can't do it. Alright, I'll finish it off with a little setting spray. Okay, and that is our completed look. I hope you guys liked it. I really love this look. It's like one of my go-tos for like a more kind of dramatic-y, but still like wearable look. Also, I feel like I should put on lashes, but I really don't want to because I'm not going anywhere today. So like, it's a little incomplete, but just pretend that there are lashes on. Okay, well, I hope everyone had a good new year, and thanks for watching. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye. Saturate that brush. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. My hair looks really blonde too. Like my natural hair versus the blonde. Blending, blending, blending. Blending, blending, blend.